Hey everybody, this is Mike from Texsource, and today we're going to take this design here and we're going to turn it into a 3D design. And what I mean by that, it's technically called an anaglyph, and that is where you see red on one side and blue on the other. You put the glasses on, and then we're going to see a three-dimensional effect. And how we pull that off is we need to take some of this art and have it in the foreground. So we're going to see the foreground stuff will be here, and then the background is right here. So when you see the shirt printed, then you're going to see this separation where it looks like the squeegee and the screen printing supplies is coming closer to you. It's a really cool effect, and it's really easy to do. Some things to point out here are the fact that outside of these stars, everything is a rounded font. That is by design. This effect works best when you have round figures. So with that being said, the other thing I want to show you is that I have white. You see that white in the background of the squeegee, and also on the text here, I have the white in there. So when we do the red and blue to the outside, it won't go inside these letters. We're going to start with the foreground right here, and I'm going to select the foreground, and we're just going to copy. And now, after I've copied it, I have some swatches here. You're going to want to use a red, like a 185 scarlet, something like that. And then this Pantone I've chosen is 306. This works really well on the press, but it's kind of a dark cyan color. And we're going to go ahead, after selecting all this, we're just going to color this whole foreground in the cyan. And then I'm going to use the arrow keys, and I'm just going to push this to the left 3. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to do a paste in front because we did that copy. And immediately you see the blue is right off of this edge here. With this still selected, I'm going to do a paste in back. And in the menu, it's right here, paste in back, which means it's going to paste it right behind the original art here. So we're going to do that, paste in back, and then we're going to color it the red color, and then we're going to do the arrows to the right, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you need a measurement, this design, it's a little under a 1/16 of an inch pushed either way. So now we've got this part done. So we're going to hide that and go to our background layer, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to select all and copy. Then we're going to color it this blue, but this time I'm going to shift to the right with the blue. 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to do a paste in front. And then we're going to do a paste behind and color it red, and then 1, 2, 3 to the left. Now if we turn on both layers, this foreground, the blues on this side, the reds on this side, and then the opposite with the background. And I'll get in here really close where you can see what's going on. Now, the other thing to point out is the glasses you wear, you are going to have the red lens over your right eye. R for red over right eye. At this point, you can print out these separations and you'll get what looks funny to you. In fact, let's go ahead and open up the separations preview. And if I turn off the spot black, this is what your red and blue are going to look like. They're going to look just like this. And then That's turning everything off. Okay, so that's what your print's going to look like on the press. And when you print this and put on the glasses, it will bring a smile to your face. This is a really cool trick to do, something that you might weave into your customers as far as this would be great for a kid's design. And you can buy these paper anaglyph 3D glasses off of Amazon, really cheap per pair, like a quarter or 15 cents. And so every shirt you print, you would get the glasses, and then your customers will absolutely love this when you show it to them.